started. So let's have a look at Miss Rachel's class rules. Number 1, listen carefully. Number 2, be quiet. Number 3, raise your hand to speak. So this one is very important, okay? On the Zoom app, you are able to click a button that says raise your hand. I would like every single person to click that button now. Everyone raise your hand so I know that you understand how to. Well done, Kimmy. Well done, Billy. Well done, Zhang. Well done, Quantam. I can see that you can all raise your hand. Please lower your hand. Perfect. Good. Okay, awesome. Let's get started. So, number 4, speak loudly and clearly. This one is super important, especially when we're teaching online. When you're answering questions, make sure you're speaking as loudly and clearly as you possibly can so I can hear you. Number 5, also always very important, try your best. If you're not sure but you think you know the answer, have a guess anyway. You might surprise yourself and get it completely correct. Okay, so today is all about phonics. We're learning about the ooh sound. Okay, on the count of 3, I want everyone say ooh. 1, 2, 3.
Ooh.
I can't hear everyone. 1, 2, 3. Ooh.
Ooh.
Very good. Well done. So we're learning about the oo sound. The oo sound can be spelt in different ways. Today we're learning about the OU and OO spelling. Firstly, I want to have a look at our homeworks, our vocabulary homeworks. I know this is a little bit blurry, but bear with me. So your homeworks were great. All of your sentences were fantastic and informative, but this is Lily's homework. So Lily, I think that you had one of the best homeworks and the most interesting sentences. So well done, Lily. Let's have a look at the homework. Number 1, discovered. The archaeologists discovered many fossils. That's a great sentence. Number 2, remove. The archaeologists carefully remove the sand to get the fossil. Also a great sentence. Number 3 is growled. The dog growled loudly. Number 4, exact. It's an exact definition. Number 5, amazed. I'm amazed that the fireworks are so beautiful. So here there is a little mistake and that's okay. Here it has the word is. Is wrong here because we're talking about more than one firework. We're talking about plural fireworks, so we have to use are. Number 6, explained. Yesterday, my mother carefully explained this problem to me. Perfect. Number 7, guard. The bodyguards stay in the house. This is also, there was a little mistake here. So a bodyguard's job is to protect someone. So the bodyguard will stay in that person's house. They actually won't stay in their own house. So we could say the bodyguards stay in the house. Number 8, souvenirs. I love to buy the souvenirs in Vietnam. Very nice sentence. In Vietnam, we can get many souvenirs. Who can raise their hand and tell me some kind of souvenirs you could find in Vietnam? Okay, Winter, go ahead.
We can find pictures.
Pictures, very good. That's a great souvenir. We can find pictures that are painted or even photographs. Zhang, what about you? What's your answer?
Keychains.
Keychains, perfect. Well done. We can buy cute little keychains. Maybe they'd even have the Vietnamese flag on them. Okay, moving ahead. The next homework that I thought was very impressive is cherries. Well done, Cherry. Okay, let's have a look, guys. Okay, again, I know it's quite blurry, but it's okay. We can still read it. Number 1 is discovered. The sentence is, we had discovered something mysterious. Ooh, what a great sentence. Number 2, remove. Scientists need to remove the fossil out of the ground carefully so that it won't break. Perfect. Number 3, growled. When I ran in front of a dog, it growled at me. So here we had a little mistake. Run is the present tense verb, but because we're talking about the word growled, ed ending, we need to change run to ran to be in the past tense. Number 4, exact. I know the exact answer for this question. Again, another perfect sentence. Number 5 is amazed. I was amazed by how big whales are. That's very true. Whales are the biggest animal in the whole entire world. Number 6, explained. I explained my answer on the paper. Perfect. Guard. Look how cool guards are, which is kind of true. Guards can have really cool jobs. Number 8, souvenirs. I have no souvenirs from any trip I've been on, which is a little bit sad because souvenirs are great. They are good keepsakes of your holidays. Okay, guys, so I just want to say that your homeworks were really, really good, but lilies and cherries were my 2 favorites, so well done, guys. Okay, moving on. So like I said, today we are learning about the ooh sound. So can everyone say this sentence with me? 1, 2, 3. Today we are going to review the ooh sound.
Sounds like
In
in
the
the
word
word
book.
book.
Very good. Who can tell me, what does a cook do? What is his job? What does he do every day when he goes to work? Winter.
He cooked food for the restaurant or the hotel.
Perfect. Well
And
done. Perfect. He cooks food for a restaurant or a hotel. Amazing work. Okay. Have a look at this. Who can tell me, what are we looking at right now? Kimmy.
that is a picture of a moon.
Very good. Well done, Kimmy. It is a picture of the moon. So here is the spelling word for moon. M-O-O-N. So here, letters O and O work together to make the ooh sound in moon. Can everyone say moon on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3.
Moon.
Very good. Awesome work, guys. Okay, next. Ooh, what do we have here? Billy, can you tell me, what is this?
It is a bowl of soup.
Perfect. Well done, Billy. It is a bowl of soup. Okay, soup also has the ooh sound, but with soup, we do not spell it O-O. Instead, letters O and U work together to make the ooh sound. Okay, what other words can you think of that have the ooh sound? For example, moon, soup, what else? Winter, can you give me another word that has the ooh sound?
Soon.
Soon. Very good. Well done. Okay, Kimmy, can you give me another ooh word, please?
Shampoo.
Shampoo. Very good. Well done. Shampoo, what we use to wash our hair with. Okay, who else? Who can think of some more ooh words? Billy.
Fruit.
Very good. Well done. Perfect. Okay, Tuan Chung.
Poop.
Gross, but you are right. Poop is one. Yucky. Rosie, can you think of another?
Noodle.
Noodles. Yum. That's a good one. Yummy noodles. Okay, let's move on. Let's have a look. Okay, so here we have some blending lines. So what I would like everyone to do is I'm going to unmute you all so I can hear all of your beautiful voices, and we're going to blend. So we're going to blend like this. Book. B. Ooh. K. Book. Are you ready? I'm going to unmute us all so I can hear you. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Book. Book. Good. Took. Took. Great. Let's do look. 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 Okay, now let's have a look. We've just got a little short story that we're going to read that has lots of ooh words in it. Now we're going to read together, and after we're finished reading, I'm going to ask you if you can remember any of the ooh words that we heard in the story. So again, I'm going to unmute you all, and we're going to start reading the story together. This story is called Moose's Tooth. Let's begin. 1, 2, 3. Moose has a loose tooth. His loose tooth feels funny.
funny.
A loose tooth can go back and forth.
And forth.
Moose likes to eat water plants.
Water plants.
Moose has to get in water up to his knees.
Up to his knees.
Moose digs down and scoops up all kinds of plants. Moose's food is wet. Dip and scoop. Dip and scoop. Okay, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to ask one student to read. Who would like to read the next page for me? Sang, please could you read the next page for me?
Moose has a loose tooth. Now Moose can't chew his food. Chewing can make his tooth too loose. Moose must get a new plan.
Perfect. Well done, Zang. Great reading. Okay, who can read the next page for me? Cherry. Okay, Cherry.
Moose has a new plan. Moose takes his food inside. He knows just what to do. If Moose can't chew, he will mix a brew. That is his plan.
Very nice, Cherry. Great work. Okay, who can read the next page for me? Billy. Go ahead, Billy.
Moose adds plants and a spice or two to the mix. His plant and spice mix looks like thick green goop.
Ooh, thick green goop. Thank you, Billy. Who would like to eat thick green goop? I don't think many of us would. Okay, the next and final two pages. Who can read this page for me? Rosie, please can you read this page for me?
Moose adds milk. His green goop shake is ready. Moose can drink it. Moose has no need to chew.
Very nice. Thank you, Rosie. Clever Moose. So he makes a little green goop smoothie while he cannot eat. Okay, finally, I would like everyone to read the last page together. 1, 2, 3. Moose likes
his
new brew. Moose's loose tooth likes it too. Very nice. Great reading, everyone. Okay, who can tell me what are some long ooh words that you remember from this story? So if everyone goes to the chat box, you will see that I'm messaging you all. Type in all the long ooh words you remember from this story. Ooh or ooh spelling. So as I said, we can spell the long ooh sound with a double O, or we can have OU. Let's have a look at some of these pictures. What is this? This is a book. Now, how do we spell book? Do we spell book with an OU or with a double O? Raise your hand to answer the question. Terry, can you tell me, how do we spell book?
We spell book like two O.
Can you spell the whole word for me?
BOOK.
Very good. Well done. BOOK. Well done. BOUK is not a real word. Amazing. Okay, next. Here we have a picture of 2 feet. Now, the word is foot. How do we spell foot? Who can raise your hand? Who is administrator?
Halambi.
Hailambi. Okay, Hailambi, can you answer the question? How do we spell foot?
FOOT.
FOOT. Very good. Well done. Good girl, Hailambi. Perfect. Okay, we spell foot FOOT, not FOUT. That is not a real word. Okay, next. Today, I'm going to go through your homework with you. So have a look at your homework. I want you to have a look at the word box at the bottom. Here we have lots of long ooh words. I want you to use the word box to unscramble these letters to find all the words from the word box. Then, when you have finished that, I want you to choose 5 words of your choice and make sentences with them. What I want us to do now is I want us to make some sentences for the last 5 minutes. Who can give me a sentence using the word pool? For example, I like to swim in the pool when I go on holiday. Okay, Winter, your hand was up first.
I like to swim in cool pool in a very hot day.
Very good. That's a great sentence. I like to swim in a cool pool on a very hot day. So I just want to say goodbye to you all. Goodbye, everybody.